In a state-of-the-art automotive factory, the 2028 electric pickup truck comes to life. Robotic arms move with precision, welding the chassis while sparks fly across the polished metal. Workers in safety uniforms inspect every component, ensuring perfection. The battery pack is carefully installed under the truck, a feat of engineering brilliance. As panels align, you can see the vehicle gradually transforming from raw metal to a sleek, futuristic machine. The hum of machinery fills the air, punctuated by the occasional beep of quality control scanners. Every detail, from the alloy wheels to the aerodynamic body frame, is crafted to perfection. Scene 2 tire installation and workshop check 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock min. Next, the truck moves to the workshop for its final touches. Technicians install brand new tires, tightening bolts with precise movements. The shiny alloy wheels gleam under the industrial lights. Hydraulic lifts raise and lower the truck, making sure every wheel and suspension component aligns perfectly. Tools click and whir, and a sense of anticipation builds as the vehicle nears completion. This is where human expertise and high-tech machinery combine to ensure that the truck isn't just assembled, it's perfected. Scene 3 interior detailing 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock min. Inside the cabin, the story continues. The interior is futuristic yet welcoming. Leather seats with red stitching catch the light, while ambient LED lighting gives a soft glow. The dashboard is dominated by digital touchscreen displays, guiding the driver with cutting-edge technology. Multifunctional steering wheels, climate control panels, and ergonomic design create an environment where comfort meets performance. Every button, every panel is meticulously checked, ensuring the driver's experience will be seamless and luxurious. Scene 4 rear design and aesthetic check 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock min. Moving to the rear of the truck, the sleek taillights shine with futuristic design. The polished red body reflects the factory lights, emphasizing the aerodynamic curves. Engineers inspect the tailgate and electric drive system, confirming that every detail meets the highest standards. The truck, though stationary, already radiates power and elegance. Its design hints at the performance and reliability that awaits on the open road. Scene 5 first drive on the road 5 o'clock to 6:30 min. Finally, the 2028 pickup truck leaves the factory floor. It glides smoothly on a modern highway, sunlight bouncing off its metallic red paint. Motion blur on the wheels captures the sensation of speed, while the aerodynamic design slices through the air effortlessly. The truck's electric powertrain hums silently, offering unmatched efficiency. Other vehicles pass by, but the 2028 EV stands out with its bold stance and futuristic appeal. Scene 6 city and environment integration 6:30 to 8 o'clock min. As it moves through city streets and open highways, the truck showcases its versatility. Urban landscapes with towering skyscrapers contrast with stretches of greenery, highlighting its adaptability. Realistic reflections on the body and headlights cast dynamic light patterns on surrounding surfaces. Drivers experience comfort, power, and innovation all at once. From its meticulous assembly in the factory to this first exhilarating drive, the journey of the 2028 electric pickup truck is a story of human ingenuity, precision engineering, and futuristic vision. Closing. This is more than a vehicle, it's a symbol of innovation, combining craftsmanship, advanced technology, and environmental consciousness. The 2028 electric pickup truck is ready to lead the next generation of automotive excellence.